Hi everyone, welcome to the Whimsy Stamps product reveal video. Today I am showcasing the Slimline Vertical Sentiments Stamp from this new release. This is a 4x6 stamp set with 5 sentiments featuring thank you, birthday, celebrate, Halloween, and Christmas in different fonts. Each vertical sentiment is about the same size and length, and at about 5 3/4 or just slightly larger, although they do differ in width. So I'll show you what that would look like on a slimline card, and here I have my little templates. The green piece is 8 1/4 by 3 1/4 piece of cardstock. And most of the Whimsy Slimline dies are this measurement. The brown piece is 8 1/2 by 3 1/2, and that is just a size that I like to have for my card bases on Slimline dies. And then I took one of the newly released dies and laid it on top of my green piece, just so you could see what that would look like. And then here I'm sharing how the vertical sentiments would line up on a slimline card design. The thank you sentiment can double up and be used on an A2 size card. Now, for me personally, I do not mind cutting apart my sentiments. If it's not for you, that's okay. You certainly can mask off part of it, then stamp out the thank you in 2 separate times to get the same end result. But here I'm just doing a little bit of surgery, and then I've cut it apart and I'm placing it on an A2 size card panel to show you how it can nicely fit. And then it can easily be put back together just by button up the sentiments where I've cut them. And it's honestly hardly noticeable. It goes right back into place. I will have a card to share with you featuring the Slimline Vertical Sentiments as well as a few other products from this release on my next video, which is October 26th. Thank you so much for stopping by today and watching. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will see you another time.